Hi guys, welcome back. This is the video for Wednesday, which is a lesson all about short E, which it kind of feels like moving backwards a little bit because we've been talking about long vowels for so long, but we're going to talk about short E that is spelled in a very specific way, which it's tricky because it makes you think that it's a long vowel, but it's not. Okay. So I'm always searching for ways to set up my camera that actually work, and we'll see how this goes. Okay, so here's our letter E, uppercase E and lowercase e. Boop, 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 boop. I'm going to put a little cloud around them. So we know that E can make two sounds. It can say its name, which is the long vowel for E, like eagle, or it can make the short sound, eh, like egg. So now that we know that, we're going to talk about one spelling for short E, which is this guy right here. Short E, eh, 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 eh. So that's the sound that you're going to be hearing in all of these words. But these are strange. B, air, b, air. Super strange word. Bear. Feather. Feather. And don't worry, I'm going to come back to these. Bread. 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 Red. Ed. Past tense of read, right? Head. Pat the top of your head right now. Head. And last but not least, weather. Okay, so let's kind of break these down a little bit. Usually, when I see two vowels together, and we've been telling you guys a lot, when two vowels go walking, the first does all the talking. Not for this one, okay? Which is confusing, right? But the reason that it's important for us to know this is that we have to know that these letter combinations can make different sounds so that when we see them in words, we know the different things to try. So one of the things to try, right, is a long E. But that's not going to work for these words. These words have this short eh sound in them, which is strange. So let's come to this one, right? Because this one is, excuse me, I had to clear my throat. This one is like extra tricky, in my opinion, because it's the word read, but it's also the word red. Whoa. It's really hard. It's really hard. So sometimes when you see it, it's the word read, and sometimes it's the word red. And what really matters is the context that it's in. So I'm going to write a little sentence. Yesterday, I heard the best book, period. Now, we can try it two different ways and see what sounds correct. Yesterday, I read the best book. Thumbs up, thumbs down. What do you think? Okay, I'm going to try it another way. Yesterday, I read the best book. Thumbs up, thumbs down, not sure. When I say read with the word yesterday, that agrees, right? If I'm talking about yesterday, I'm talking about the past. And the word read is past tense, right? It's already happened. Yesterday, sorry, mistake. I was talking too fast. The word read is past tense, not the word read. Scratch that. Okay, yesterday I read the best book, right? That tells me that the things I'm talking about have already happened because they happened yesterday. So if I read it, yesterday I read the best book, and I think to myself, gosh, that doesn't make sense. Yesterday I read the best book. I need to remember, oh yeah, this word, this EA, sometimes it's long E and sometimes it's short E. So that's why we're doing this, right? That's why I'm teaching you these lessons. It's why we do so much with phonics, is because you need to know that there's an option, so that when you're stuck and you're thinking, that doesn't really make any sense, you know what to change it to, okay? So let's look at another one. Let's look at this one. Because in my class, we have classroom jobs and we talk about the weather. And so we have like a little weekly weather report. And I'm sure that your class does the same thing or something that's similar. Lots going on in this word, right? We've got we have a digraph here, and then we have an R-controlled vowel,